I would advise all the viewers who are seeing it, please come here, get advice from the doctor, and you will feel that the treatment is 100% success in this.
Healing Edge.
A severe pain on my neck, spine, and the leg cramps also.
Relax, relax. Yes. Kinda. Idi. Atla. మామూలుగా పట్టుకోండి. ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్?
Almost 90% relief from pain.
Almost 90%.
Only I feel that muscles is pulling
Okay.
back or some discomfort. That's all.
Okay, relax. Yeah. Relax.
And I can say God directed to Dr. Shaukat and the entire team.
Come down a bit. Come down a bit. Relax. Right. Relax.
I think it's like God's grace only. Like God should direct here. Otherwise,
The right place.
కాస్త పైకి. Come up a bit. Relax. Yes. మాట్లాడతారా? Okay. You both want to talk? Please. Your name? Sushmita Kai, right? And what's your name, sir? Madhu. Now today we have Mr. Madhu and Mrs. Sushmita here, and she had been suffering with back pain for how long?
I can say more than 1.5 years.
More than 1.5 years, but she didn't know that she had scoliosis, right? So after coming here, we got to know that she had scoliosis. We got an X-ray done, and thereon I think they are better people to speak about it. One second.
Hi all, I'm Sushmita. This is my husband Madhu. Actually, I was having a lot of back pain almost more than 1.5 years, and we went around all the hospitals, took a lot of x-rays, tests and all, but we were not directed properly. They just gave me a lot of pills which didn't give me a permanent solution for that. So it happened like I met one of my relative who's a physiotherapist, and he just examined all the reports, and he just directed to meet Dr. Shaukat. When we just came here, and doctor advised us that I have been diagnosed with the scoliosis. So that's the reason it turned out to be a severe pain on my neck, spine, and the leg cramps also. And doctor advised for 2-3 sittings. Now lot of changes. I can say that there's no neck pain for me. Completely I'm delivered from that. And as a believer of Jesus Christ, I can say we were praying like for almost 1.5 years. I have 2 kids also, no one to help, and I can say God directed to Dr. Shaukat and the entire team. It's an angel for us, and I would advise all the viewers who are seeing it, please come here, get advice from the doctor, and you will feel that the treatment is 100% success in this. So thank you doctor, thank you the entire
So when
team.
you went to other places, what did they tell you? Did they tell you
The results showed it was normal, so they said they just advised me some pills, doctor. That's all. That was a
What did they
painkiller.
diagnose? Diagnosis क्या था?
It's a long journey from head to toe. Everything we did. One person said it's a migraine headache. They gave pills. Then one person said that it's a dental issue. Then we started with braces. That's almost costed a lot for us, and it was a big journey. Still, she is having braces. You
Yeah.
can show that.
Yeah.
Then one person one doctor said it's you have because of sight you have headache. So she underwent that. She took tablets. She was using spectacles for a month, but there was no change. Then we went to another big hospital in Secunderabad, and they said it's a nerves issue. Then we got the nerve test done. Then we got the calcium test done. We got bones test done.
So everything was all right.
was perfect.
Everything was
So even they gave tablets. She took tablets for 3 months, 4 months, but there was no change. It was just a temporary setting. There was no permanent solution. Then our cousin did some basic physiotherapy, and then he guided here. So once she came, the first session itself, she was telling that it was more than 60% recovery.
So first session was a great, relief for you.
relief, lot of relief.
So apart from,
I think my I was feeling inside that my head was hanging.
Okay.
Telugulo ugguta atla, it was like hanging feeling. But after the first session, I saw that my head is standing. I could see people properly without any support. I could see.
So how do you
stand.
feel coming out of pain? मतलब,
Happy, doctor. Happy. It's amazing feeling after 1.5 years. Very cool.
Yes.
I'm confident that I can live properly without pain.
That's good, isn't it?
God bless you all, entire team.
So people should come here for treatment.
Definitely, definitely.
Definitely.
I think it's like God's grace only. Like God should direct here. Otherwise,
The right place.
Right
So
place.
again we see when there is right diagnosis and there is right treatment. So they have been going around for 1.5 years. People diagnosed differently and gave treatment as per their diagnosis. So when the diagnosis wasn't correct, the treatment wasn't happening. So now here when we got the X-ray done, we discovered it was scoliosis, and now she knows what she has and she is actually healing better now, right?
Yes, doctor.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.